Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to help you fix the issue of camera cannot connect to the WhatsApp web. If you're having troubles using your camera for video calls on WhatsApp, this video is for you. If you're seeing the message, camera cannot connect to WhatsApp web, there are a few steps you can take to fix this issue. First, check the camera for permissions. Ensure that your web browser has permission to access your camera. On Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Site Settings. Under Permissions, click Camera and make sure WhatsApp web is allowed to access it. Similar steps apply to other browsers like Firefox and Edge. Next, make sure no applications are using your camera. Close any programs that might be using your camera, such as video conferencing apps or other browser tabs with camera access. If the camera still won't connect, try restarting your browser. Close all the browser tabs and windows, then reopen your browser and go to WhatsApp web page again. If you're still experiencing issues, try using a different browser. We hope these steps help you fix the issue of the camera not connecting to the WhatsApp web. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.